Hey man, hello everybody. This is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So as you could see, this would be my first my initial video for vlogging. So I hope this would success. So this afternoon I am planning to go to Cavite just to meet an online seller, which is we've been talking to each other just to materialize the device I want to buy. So this is the DJI Pocket 3, which is laging nagkakaubusan dito sa Pilipinas, and I've been searching, nagkakanvas na ako ng device na to sa iba't ibang malls. So talagang mahirap makakuha nito, and as you could see na I'm driving, nahihirapan ako. Hello again guys. So ito na nga, nasa loob ako ng sasakyan. So binabaybay ko yung Skyway here in Cavite. Oh my god, that was too close. Muntik na ako mabangga ng bus. Ito yung mahirap sa pag-vlog eh. But anyway, we are so lucky that wala masyadong traffic. Kasi nga mahal na araw ngayon. Walang pasok yung mga opisina. And the thing that what makes it really so interesting, this would be the perfect time for you to redeem yourself para magpahinga, para magbasa ng books, or para at least mapanood mo yung mga series na hindi mo pa napapanood. Gaya ko, ang dami ng mga movies or mga series na hindi ko pa napapanood na nakasave lang sa external hard drive. Oh my god, it happened to my face. Masyado nang nakikita yung mga milasma sa buong face ko kasi nga ang init eh. Hindi pa tayo nakapaglagay ng sunscreen. I think I have to visit a dermatologist just to have a consultation and let the dermatologist do the work. Kasi nga parang, nagkakaroon na ako ng milasma sa katawan. Okay, so for now, I am in Bacoor. So, it's good because, I've been driving for just 25 minutes and I thought it's gonna be traffic, but since nakarating na tayo dito ng mas mabilis sa ini-expect natin na traveling time, so that's good for us. So bakit parang sarado? Anyways, parang tinuturo tayo sa loob eh. Ayan, subdivision yata ito eh. Sarado yata itong subdivision.
Hello.
Hello ma'am.
Apo?
Andito na ako sa gate ng subdivision pero parang sarado po yata. So ito na nga, sarado yung gate nila, but still we decided to meet up na lang dito. Sabi ni ma'am, siya na lang yung mag-a-adjust pupunta dito kasi parang iba yata yung napuntahan ko.
2,000 years later.
Guys, finally it's in my hand. So I think for now I just have to enjoy the moment for having this one. This would be a good investment and it's gonna be a new journey for creating new memories. Ito na nga guys, pauwi na ako ng Manila. Yun na nga, medyo na traffic tayo dito sa Skyway. Tsaka, that's an airplane. Diba? Ang ganda ng special effect natin. Tingnan nyo, wala nakapila dun sa kabila. So ito na nga, pauwi na tayo ng Manila. Nasa atin na yung purpose ng pagpunta natin dito sa Cavite. So malapit na tayo. Ang dami kasing tao ngayon. Parang lahat ng dinadaanan ko, ang daming nakapark, mga illegal na nakapark. Kasi nga, lahat ng tao ngayon nasa simbahan. It's Holy Week. So, for now, dadaan muna tayo sa Jollibee kasi nagugutom ako. Oh my god, pamagas kasi.
Order po nila.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Evening po.
Jollibee po. One piece chicken po with yung spaghetti, yung may spaghetti po. One piece Jolly spaghetti. Opo. Yun lang. At saka may wing part po ba kayo? So, ayan na guys. Meron tayong one-piece chicken. So, I'm starving. Bumili ako ng one-piece chicken at saka ng spaghetti. Pero problema, hindi ko naman makain because I'm driving. So, kaya pala sarado yung LRT kasi parang inaayos yata nila. Ginagawa nila ulit. That's good.
A few moments later.
So, kararating lang natin. Nakatapos natin kumain. And as what you expect, nagpalit tayo ng damit. Kasi it was so hot outside. And we didn't expect that, uulan ng malakas. And there was a smell. And I really hate that smell. Nag-trigger yung acid ko. Nag-trigger yung asthma ko. So, tonight, I'm just going to give you a quick tour or quick unboxing of this device. And as you could see, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So it's finally here. We waited for many years and I think the wait was worth and we have it here. Totoo talaga. So I'm so excited. Let's see. So the first thing that we have to do is that we have to appreciate kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. So tingnan natin kung ano talaga yung laman nito. So first, siguro dito yung likod. Dito natin sisimulan. We have to pull this plastic. Ang hirap pala buksan. No. Itong color green na to, baka igaganyan. Ihilain lang natin. Do I have to get a pen just to, do that? Okay, so ito na. For the information of everybody, ito nabili ko sa seller ng 40,000. Pag binili nyo to sa mall, I think nagkakahalaga siya ng 37,000. So ito na nga guys. Dahan-dahan lang. Kasi baka mabasag or mahulog. So, ito na. As we open it, meron tayong, tea? Ako, bawal kainin to. Okay, so, inside the box, we have a pouch. Itong bag na to, nandito siguro lahat yung mga inclusion niya. May tag. ito siya, pero ang liit niya. And also, I didn't expect na parang mga ilang inch ba to? It reminds me of I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, this one is, another one here is the, ano ba to? This is the mounting. You have to insert this one at the, I think dito. Ayan. Ito yung charging siguro. Tama ba yung ginawa natin? Tama naman. Ayan. Ayan. Siguro ganun yung paglagay. I think, ito naman siya. You have to do like this. Ito yung cover niya. Kung tatanggalin mo siya, siguro you have to press like this. Ayan. Pwede mo ilagay sa pocket mo. Kaya siguro sinabing pocket toy, pocket camera. So you can put in your pocket. It's pocketable. Pocket you. And another one here is, this one is, ito yung microphone niya. Wireless microphone. So, pwede mo insert something like this. Diba? Kung ayaw mo naman, kung gusto may pasok, may magnet to eh. Ito yung kanyang, ito naman yung parang pangtanggal ng ano to, yung sound sa hangin. Para at least ma-protect niya yung hangin, yung pagpasok ng sound. This one. You just have to put like that. Hey everybody, my name is Herman. Welcome back to my channel. Ito yung kanyang Type-C na charger. Pag i-charge mo, ito siya. So I think kailangan mong bumili ng kanyang adapter na yung parang, ano bang tawag doon? Head adapter ba? Yun yung parang kung tatawagin natin parang ganito. Kasi hindi siya pwede dito. Pang Apple to eh. And we also have, ito yung kanyang magnet. Magnet para sa camera, sa microphone. Sa wireless microphone niya. Ilalagay mo to. And we also have yung lens ng camera mo. Dapat ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung wide lens ng Osmo Pocket camera. Kung gusto mong wide yung shot ng camera mo, you really have to put this. Wait lang, paano ba ito tatanggalin? Tanggalin natin to. So, I think, parang ganito siya. Magnetic to eh. Pag mayabang pa, di ko naman alam. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Then, ito yung kanyang battery, diba? Pasok na natin. Try natin lahat. Ayan. Pag naka-green, I think that's a sign na properly connected siya. And this one, parang mali. I think mauna yata to. Unahin natin to. That's good. Sounds like heaven. Bakit wala ano to? Saan yung receiver niya? I thought dalawa to. Wait lang. Yan lang pala. Ito yung camera niya. Isa lang pala. Akala ko dalawa. So I think that's all. In my next video, I would give you a sample kung ano ba talaga yung quality nito, kung maganda ba yung shots nito. So, see you on my next video, my next vlog, my next channel. Ewan ko sa inyo. Okay, so, I think ito na siguro yung pinaghirapan natin. So, pwede nating ilagay nito, parang magiging tripod lang niya to. Ayan. Para hindi siya, kapag iiwanan mo siya, or solo ka, pwedeng ganyan siya. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, i-on nga natin. Oh, English. You have to set up it first. So, I think that's all. Pag-aralan muna natin kung ano yung mga functions nito, kung anong pwedeng gawin nito. So, see you on my next vlog. So, bye!